Okay, so to do that, you just drag them down. It says drag media down here. So there's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and we'll move down here and get 5 and 6, 7 and 8, and number 9. Okay, this shows the length of time they're going to last, and I guess they're each about 5 seconds. I suppose there's a setting up here that you can do to adjust how long they last. But basically, you're going to have to adjust the length of time that each of these show to fit the narration, whatever the narration is. Okay, so if we hit the play button now, so it's just play, and it's how many seconds went by, and every fifth second, then it changes to the next slide in the presentation. Okay, so we'll stop that. So the next trick is we're going to import the audio that you made originally for your presentation, and then we can lengthen or shorten the length of time that each slide, in this case each JPEG, shows by dragging a little triangle on the edge here to make it longer or shorter. So then you import your audio. You import the narration that you originally had for your presentation in PowerPoint, if that's what you want. If you want, you can record. You can come down here and add your own narration. It'll come in on this line here, and you can do it right here in Movie Maker. But let's pretend that we had narration and maybe music, background music, with the PowerPoint, and we just want to import that audio. So we go to wherever that is, and once we find the audio, then we can import it, right? Okay, so we're going to import. I have my audio in PowerPoint presentation number 1 and 2. Both sections are needed. Okay, so you just grab your audio file here. See, it shows music. I usually use music file, but it can be narration, and bring it down to the audio line down here. So we're going to grab our audio file and drag it down here and drop it here, and we're going to see how long that lasts. We're probably going to have to expand these slides, these pictures, to fit the audio. So we bring down power 1. See, look, it lasts as long as the pictures do here already. So obviously we're going to expand them quite a bit. So we come up here and we grab 2, so this is power 2, and we drop it at the end there. Okay, so it went all the way out to here, so looks like the length of our presentation here is 1 minute and 40 seconds. That's not long, but our slides are not that long right now. So we're going to come over here at the beginning. We're going to hit our play button and see how long the first slide is supposed to last. So this is our pretend PowerPoint presentation, which supposedly we've set up to show various things we're talking about in making a garden. So slide 1, we're saying, how does your garden grow? Well, it's easy to grow a garden if you do the right steps. And then in our next slide. Okay, so that's how long the first slide is supposed to last. Okay, so if we come down here and click on the first slide, Oops, I forgot. We should make some sort of note of where that was, but it's going to be way out there. Stretch it way out here. It bumps these guys over. I forget how long it went, but we'll play it here and see what happens. So I'm coming up here to the play button. Flower beds all in a row, and you can be plant and grow. No, so it is back here somewhere. Design a garden. Your garden depends on what you're growing. So you can have your lovely flower beds, steps, and then in our next slide. Okay, so our next slide was here where it says 0, 0, 0, and then it about goes into 3. So that's how